Hello everyone, I'm Vanita Vittal Gujarat. So this is my first pick a card reading. So let us see how your coming week, that is from 10th May to 16th May, how your complete week is going to be. So this is my first pick a card reading, and if you're new to my channel, just please subscribe. So here we have three options: pile 1, pile 2 and pile 3. So here the message is self-care is not selfish. I hope you can see it. And this is the green quartz crystal. And the second pile is life is a beautiful ride. Okay, and here is the amethyst crystal. I hope you can see it, amethyst crystal. And here the third pile is there is always a reason to smile. Okay, and here it is a rudraksha. Okay, so just close your eyes, ask your guardian angels, dear God, Goddess, guardian angels, how my coming week is going to be, and as per your intuitions, just pick up a pile, or for your guidance, you can go through all the messages in this video. So yeah, let us get started with pile 1. Hello guys, so let us get started with the pile 1. So I'll just keep your charms over here. Let us shuffle the cards. Dear God, Goddess, Archangels, Guardian Angels of pile 1, how their coming week is going to be, how their coming week is going to be, how their coming week is going to be. Guys, just be patient. How the coming week is going to be. Let us see message regarding your finances. Dear God, Goddess, Archangels, message regarding finances for pile 1. Message regarding love life for pile 1. Message regarding health for pile 1. For pile 1. Now let us see which God, Goddess energy is with you for the week ahead, and what message and guidance she want to give you. Dear God, Goddess, Archangels, which Goddess energy is with pile 1, and what message and guidance they want to give. Now let us see what you should do to take care of yourself for the week ahead. Dear God, Goddess, Archangels, Guardian Angels of pile 1, what they should do to take care of themselves in the coming week ahead. Let us take 2 cards. 1. And let us see one angel message. Dear God, Goddess, Archangels, what message you want to give, what guidance you want to give for the pile 1 in the coming week. Please guide us. Okay. So now let us get started. Let us see first of all how your coming week is going to be. Okay. Lovely guys. Lovely. So your coming week is going to be really, really awesome. New agreements can take place. There will be the relationships. Okay, relationships partnerships. Okay, there will be new opportunities for a team, and especially what I'm getting is teamwork will be of importance. Okay, so there will be new collaborations going on, and the relationships, okay, the relationships are going to be next level. There will be a mode of commitment. Okay, what I'm getting is, okay, so nice, lovely, guys. And the sun card, how does it get any better than this? So there will be new beginning in the middle of the week. There will be a addition can be there in the family, a situation or a decision regarding child will be of concern. Okay, there will be also for some there might be news, good news regarding a child, and father relation will be of importance too. Okay, guys, so take care of your father, have a good communication with your father. This is what I'm hearing. Okay, father, okay, the word father. So take care of your father. Okay, have a good relationship with him, speak your heart out, have a good communication. Okay, and it is a good card, guys. The week is really bright ahead, and weekend, lovely. The weekend will be, people will be like, okay, man, this guy or this person is doing something, he or she, they are keeping an eye on you. Okay, they are like, okay, I adore this person, he's working so hard. How does he manage everything? See, how does he manage his love relationships, his business? How does he relation his family? People will be like praising you, people will be like admiring you, idolizing you, that how this person is doing. Okay, and you will be kind of successful doing it, guys. Okay, so it's a nice, lovely, you guys have lovely week ahead, guys, so enjoy. Okay, and okay, the finances. Okay. Okay, the message regarding your health is 10 of wands. Okay, guys, so don't, like for finances, don't pressurize yourself much. Okay, it's like you're taking too much of responsibilities in this pandemic. You might think that it is very difficult to earn finances. Don't do that. Okay, because you have that creativity, you have that good karmas with you. Okay, and you have the person who are ready to, you know like take the work. Okay, you can delegate your work. Okay, when it comes to finances. Okay, always remember, हर काम खुद पे खुद से अकेले करने का जरूरत नहीं होता है. Okay, we can delegate things to other. Okay, so it will be like beneficial to them as well and you as well. Okay, so if you will like take excess burden regarding your finances, there are chances of like headache and shoulder pain. These, there might be chances. Okay, so don't take much burden on yourself, because have that faith in divine, that you have that good karmas with you, you have good people around you, you are doing your own work so honestly that the divine will reward you. Okay, stop burdening yourself for finances. Okay, make use of law of attraction. Okay, have that unshakable faith, and you need not take so much of burden, guys. Delegate your work when it comes to, especially when it comes to finances as well. Okay, and the health card is 7 of sword. Are you thinking of having a cheat on your diet? Okay, have a very healthy, good diet, guys, because in this especially in this scenario, in this current pandemic, we are going through a lot. Okay, so the health, taking care of health is very, very important. Okay, so I can just feel that there are some people who are neglecting, who are not taking care of their health. Okay, especially your health. Okay, not your family members, but your health. Okay, so you're not taking much care of yourself, you're not hydrating your body much enough. Okay, so you're just mentally thinking that अरे यार कुछ नहीं होगा मुझे, I am very strong enough, मुझे कुछ नहीं होगा. No, guys, see, confident is good. Okay, but neglecting your health and neglecting the situation, circumstances is not a good idea. Okay, So make sure that you have a healthy diet and you follow it. Okay, have, घरेलू नुस्खा होता है, also do that. Okay, if you're feeling, a bit dizzy because of the work that you're doing, okay, constant work that you're doing, don't cheat upon your health, guys. Don't do that. Okay, just delegate your work and make sure, if you are facing some, headache or any financial, not financial, but your, physical, okay, any physical pain or imbalance, just consult your doctor. Okay, don't neglect your health, guys. Health comes first, remember that. Okay. And love life. Okay, and love life is two of wands. Okay, so here I'm connecting, for some, okay, for some, the love life might turn into partnership. Okay, your loved ones, your, your wife, your better half may turn into your, financial partner, or else we can say your, in partnership firm. You can both collaborate with each other. Okay, not only emotionally but also mentally. Okay, for the, to enhance your finances. Okay, there are chances. Okay, and the love life is gonna be, you will think like, okay, my love life is gonna be how we have come so far, all these things, you're kind of lot of thinking, you're giving your mind a lot of pressure. Okay, especially your mind, you're like, okay, I have to do this, I have to do that for my loved ones. Okay, and you're also thinking that where is this relationship going? Okay, where is it going? How to enhance it? Okay, what we should do to increase the love that the spark that we have. Okay, and for singles, okay, for singles, I'm getting the messages that have patience, guys. Your loved one, your, Prince Charm, or your that queen, princess, she's gonna come. Okay, have patience. Okay, so this is the time that you have achieved a lot in your life and you're like, अरे यार कोई मिली नहीं मुझे, so have patience, guys. Okay, so like it's on, she's on her way or he's on his way. Okay, so have trust in the divine timing, guys. Have trust in the divine timing. Okay, so now let us see which goddess is with you. Okay, lovely. Assault. Okay, now she's trying to tell you that the love you have shared is eternal, regardless of the situation. Okay, lovely. See, the love is of importance, guys. In this week, the love relationships, love is of importance. Okay, and she's telling you that the love that you have shared, you guys are giver. Okay, you guys are truly givers. Okay, you're always ready to help others, not taking care of yourself, but you will always be there for others. Okay, so always make sure, that you also take care of yourself, because when you take care of yourself, you will also attract more people who respect you and loves you. Truly. Okay, so the goddess is trying to tell you that the love that you have shared in this world, okay, without that selfishness and like just that pure love, that happiness that you have shared with others, okay, you will get rewarded. Okay, you will get rewarded, so have that faith. Guys, what I'm seeing, see, you have also got this, this charm. You have selected this charm. Self care is not selfish. See how it is sinking. So you have also got the card love. So focus on the love. Your especially love yourself, guys. Okay, and the angel message, success. Wow. Okay, so now here angels are confirming that, in your career, your love life, what I'm really feeling is that, two people coming close together, having a bond of love, then showing that they both have same interest and same ideas regarding finances to explore. They will try to turn themselves to business partners and it will turn amazingly. See the sun card, the success card. Okay, so whatever you are up to in this week, okay, it will get successful. And though you have received, health may seven swords, but angels are ensuring that if you take care of your health, there is success. Okay, always make sure that you take care of yourself, guys. Okay, because success is there with you. Okay, and oh, you have got 3 cards. Okay, Okay, let us see. The first way, like self-care, what you can do is star mother. She is Mother Mary. Okay, how can you mother yourself? See, oh God, see, how can you mother yourself? It's like, how can you love yourself? The mother, like a way the mother cares for a child. Okay, you have to care for yourself, guys. See how beautifully our messages are thinking, so खुद खुद के लिए खुद से प्यार करो, खुद से प्यार करना सीखो. It is amazing that you love others. It is awesome the way you spread love with regardless of boundaries, or like regardless of like क्या बोलते हैं, like selfishness, yeah, without selfishness. Okay, so मदर मैरी आपको यही बोल रही है that take care of yourself, nourish yourself, nourish your soul. Okay, nourish your soul. Okay, and see, sometimes we also tend to neglect the care that our mother, जो माँ हमें प्यार करते हैं, लाइक हाँ मम्मा ही क्या करती है ना यार, लाइक उनका तो काम ही है वो. गाइज, इट्स नॉट दैट. शी लव्स यू, शी केयर्स फॉर यू बिकॉज शी इज ट्रू, हर सोल इज ट्रू, बिकॉज शी लव्स यू. ओके, नॉट बिकॉज इट्स हर ड्यूटी, बिकॉज शी लव्स यू. Okay, because you're a part of her life. Okay, so respect your mom. Okay, and even share that love, share that love with your mom too. But mostly I'm just getting is the self-care. Okay, I'll just keep it here. Okay, yeah. And then second is leap. You go first, the universe will catch you. Okay, so having a leap of faith is also important, guys. I guess somewhere this card was yeah, I guess here we got the message that have that faith. Okay, so have that have that faith that the universe is there with you, guys. Your intuitions is also going good. Okay, take listen to your intuitions. Okay, don't neglect ki, if you're getting any ideas, okay, even a minor ideas, it's your intuition, don't neglect it. Okay, and always have that faith, that unshakable faith. Okay, yeah, angels know, like this is the time where you might face challenges, you might sometimes feel lonely. Okay, but they are telling you to have that leap of faith in the universe, and just enjoy the world that you have right now. Care yourself, love yourself. Okay, there is success available, so do not worry. Okay, see, worry karne se you won't get the solutions, you won't get the success, you won't get the answers. Okay, so rather than worrying, love yourself, take care of yourself, and have that leap of faith. Okay, lovely. And play, have fun, celebrate, don't be so serious, guys. I'm just seeing the pink light. Okay, so take care, like play, enjoy, why be so serious? See, it is so amazing that the cards are so like so amazingly explaining this quote. Self-care is not selfish, guys. This is the main. I'll just keep it here. See, self-care is not being selfish. Okay, so just play, have fun. Okay, see, right now I know we are in pandemic, but even at home we can we can have fun, we can dance, we can just play with your hobby. Play around your hobby, just have fun. Okay, just don't be so serious, guys, because life is meant to enjoy. Okay, so yeah, this was your reading. I hope you enjoyed it. Most importantly, self-care is not selfish, guys. Always remember that. Have a lovely week ahead. Lots of love. Bye-bye. Hello, pile 2. So yeah, so this is your message. Life is a beautiful ride. Amethyst crystal. So here I can feel Archangel Michael is there with you very strongly. You are protected. Okay, so now let us see how your coming week is going to be. Dear God, Goddess, Archangels, Guardian Angels of Light, how the coming week ahead is going to be for pile 2. How the week ahead is going to be for pile 2. Message regarding your finances for pile 2. Message regarding your health for pile 2. Message regarding love life for pile 2. Let us see what you need to do to take care of yourself. Dear God, Goddess, Archangels, what pile 2 needs to do to take care of themselves for the coming week ahead. Let's take 2 cards. Let us see which goddess is with you and what message she want to give you. Dear God, Goddess, Archangel, which goddess energy is with pile 2 and what message and guidance she want to give. Now let us see what angel message you have for coming week. Dear God, Goddess, Archangels, what message you want to give to pile 2 for the coming week ahead. Have patience, guys. Okay, so now let's see how your coming week ahead is going to be. Okay, so the week start, it will be like your intuitions are gonna be really, really high, and like you will be kind of confused, okay, like to make certain decisions or to choose between, it's like you have two options and you have to choose. Okay, sorry guys, I had to take a break because I was so excited that I know my throat got dried and I was like constantly coughing because of dried throat. Oh, so yeah, let us continue with this. Okay, so now pile 2, your beginning of the week will be kind of, you have to make a certain decision, okay, but you're kind of confused that what should I do, what should I choose, whether should I choose this or whether should I choose that. Okay, but pile 2, remember that you have the divine support, okay, you have that emotional stability, okay, to make a particular decision. You have that wisdom within yourself, okay, that knowledge within yourself, that what and how to choose. Okay, so you have it, okay, make use of it. You have that, you have that divine support, guys. Okay, so make use of it, listen to your inner wisdom, okay, to make the decisions. Okay, and the 6 of Pentacles, lovely. Okay, in the middle of like in the coming week, you'll be like, there will be balancing in giving and receiving. Okay, see, there are some people, there are some of you who have problem in receiving. Okay, you are very open up when it comes to giving, but like when it comes to receiving, you will be like, oh no, let it be, don't give me this, I don't need it, I don't require it. Don't do that, guys. Okay, you are receiving something because you deserve it. Okay, because at a point of time you have given something to someone when they required. Okay, so right now the universe is giving you that blessing in other forms. Okay, so make use of it. Okay, receive the blessings that you are you're getting. Okay, so just receive it, guys. Okay, and financially it's gonna be good. Okay, because like you have that good karma by your side. Okay, but you have that constant dilemma going within you, like what happen if I will choose this, what happen if I'll choose that. Okay, you have that inner wisdom, guys. Make use of it. Okay, see the Hierophant. Okay, this, like the coming week is going to be of importance, guys. Okay, so the Hierophant is like you have that inner wisdom available. Okay, like tap within yourself. Okay, tap within your intuitions, tap within your inner self, your inner wiser person. Okay, because sometimes people kind of look at you and think, oh, he has that complete knowledge. Oh, when I talk to him I feel really good, man. Really feel good. So that is the contribution that you have given. See there is two. You're confused between two. There is two. Okay, so there are chances that you're confused between two people. Okay, you're confused between two situations, two circumstances, guys. Okay, so make use of your inner wisdom. See, here also you have your intuitions. Here also you have your good karmas by your side. Here also you have your inner wisdom. Okay, make use of it. Have that faith and confidence within yourself. Okay, don't take too much of stress that what decisions should I make, what should I not. Don't stress yourself with this. Okay, life is beautiful. Okay, life is beautiful, right? Enjoy it. Okay. Okay, finances. And your finances, see, there will be, your finances will be of importance as well. Okay, so there will be, you will constantly try to balance your finances. Okay, and in the coming week you will be like, okay, and you will also understand, that I have given so much to the world, so that now I have to receive. Okay, you have to receive it as well. Okay, so here I am also seeing that you will try to balance your finances, and there will be like you will be in that awareness with the energy of Hierophant. Okay, you will have that thing within you. Okay, this is the way I have to manage my finances. Okay, you know you will be able to properly manage your finances. Okay, to lead. Okay, to lead your finances. Okay, you will get ideas, you'll get downloads. Okay, via your intuitions, make use of it. Okay, lovely. Your health. Okay, so the health is gonna go good. Okay, see, two of cups. Okay, so your family members, okay, is gonna take care of your health, and even you have to do. Okay, so emotionally also there will be good news coming. Okay, because I'm hearing that good news coming. Okay, and health wise it is good. Like there is a lot of sun energy also. Okay, what I'm getting is, okay, a lot of sun energy, and like there is good. Okay, there is like calmness. Or you are like there is overall the health is good. Okay, what I'm getting is, overall the health is good. Okay, you have that support. You have that people who look after you, like in a caring and a loving manner. Okay, lovely. The star, guys, your coming week is of really, really importance, because you have got 3 major arcana cards. Okay, so like the coming week is really, really importance. Okay, so yeah, the star, for the relation it's the star. For singles it's like you are kind of trying to balance your own self. You're trying to love your own self. Okay, you're trying to bond a relationship with your own self, with your spiritual world and your physical world. Okay, you're trying to bring that bond within your own self. You're trying to have that inner work going on. Okay, you're like fine, rather than focusing on a relationship, rather than focusing on, like, among these two people, let me focus on myself. Okay. And the people who are in relationship, committed relationship or married, it's like you both will be balancing your relationship. There will be, lots and lots of healing going on in your relationship, okay, in the coming week, because the divine is really healing, okay. And the time you have received to be there with each other, spend time with each other, okay, so that will be of really importance. And there might be chances of some good news, guys, okay, because the coming week is of really importance. In the decision you're making, make it wisely, okay, because listen to your intuitions, guys. Your intuitions are really strong. You have that inner wisdom, okay. Listen to your intuitions, don't ignore your intuitions, okay. So now let us see what you need to do to enhance. Okay, so to self, how you can take care of yourself in the coming week, okay. So unbond, release your soul pattern, contracts and past life, guys. You are, see, what I feel is, this two of sword, like it is, implementing, like, the energy of two of swords. You're like bonding yourself, okay. You're like, your past life, okay. See, if for someone, for example, okay, your love relation is not going good, your past relations have, not served for your best, okay. But see, don't, tie yourself with those things. Don't think that, even future relationships will be the same, okay. See, past will be repeating unless and until we, we have that courage to break the circle, okay. So make sure that rather than this, you focus on this, okay. Focus on healing yourself, okay. Focus on the energy of Hierophant, your inner self, okay. Don't be in that circle, of your karmic, heal yourself, okay. Heal yourself, bring that change in your life, okay. Just don't, don't tie yourself with unnecessary relationships. If it is not serving you, know the difference, take care of yourself, break the chain, okay, guys. Like unborn, don't be completely attached, okay. Don't be completely attached with the things that is not serving you, your past life memories, okay. If, see, some situations in our life happens, like when it, like some, you might feel that, oh, this situation has been repeated, I feel it, I have seen this in my dreams. So that thing is regarding your past life, okay? Make sure you're not stuck with those energies. You have to change it, guys, okay. Do certain meditations, do prayers, okay, that will help to change it, okay. Use law of attraction to change it, guys, okay. Unbond yourself, okay. Unbond yourself, your soul. Take a break. Oh my god, see, take a break, guys. See, take a break, a life's work, not a season. Get off the treadmill. You're constantly working, thinking, worrying, you know you're constantly, like working, like constantly pressurizing yourself, constantly in the dilemma, like how it is gonna happen, like, where your life is going, all confused, you like, see, you're sitting here and, you have the beautiful vision, you're kind of thinking ki, how the things are going, take a break. Oh god. See, guys, again, life is a beautiful ride. Take a break, enjoy the life. Enjoy the life where you are, okay. Don't just pressurize yourself with, what is not serving you, okay. Don't unnecessarily bond yourself with the things that is not serving you, guys, okay. So let me just wait here. Okay, so the Sarit Dila. Okay, fine. So the angel guidance that you have received is be assertive. Guys, see, it is, if you, make use of your words in a positive manner, okay. See, the Hierophant has the amazing affirmations, amazing vocabulary of the words, okay. So here you have that inner wisdom to know yourself, okay, to know yourself, to realize what you are. Okay, so like be assertive. Okay, stop being aggressive. Okay, because when you be aggressive, or when you're dominant, okay, when you dominate some other people or the situation, sometimes it doesn't work, right? Sometimes it doesn't work when you try to control things. Okay, so you have to unbond from the situation, from the people that is not serving you, and be assertive. Okay, see, sometimes what happen is that, no, we tell something, okay, tell something, certain words or certain emotions that we don't mean to hurt someone, but through our words we hurt them. Okay, this happens with many of them. Okay, so always think before you speak, sweethearts. Okay, think before you speak. Okay, so be assertive, guys. Okay, see, sometimes what happen when we are constantly speaking negative, okay, about certain people or ourselves, okay, what happens is that thing gets manifested. Okay, because you're constantly thinking about the negative steps that is happening. Okay, rather than that, when you will constantly think about the positive thing and you will behave in that manner, okay, be assertive and speak positive things, okay, that will bring a huge change, guys. Okay, so let us see which goddess is with you. Goddess Aphrodite, inner goddess, guys. You need to do lot of inner work, okay? Awaken the goddess within you through dance, self-care, and appreciating your divinity. Okay, appreciate yourself, guys. Coming week, just take care of yourself. In this pandemic, I know it might be difficult to have a, go to beauty parlor or have some makeover or something like that. But in the home, you can do certain, self-care remedies, and, you can have a your face. Okay, you can like have that home remedies in your home. Okay, apply that upton on your face, or do some meditation, do some inner work, sweethearts, because you need an inner work. Okay, so yeah, this was the coming week of really importance, guys. Okay, have that, don't constantly bond yourself, okay, with the things that is not serving you. Okay, and take a break. The coming week, just enjoy yourself. Okay, enjoy the weekend that you will receive. Okay, the knowledge, look into yourself. Okay, look into yourself. Okay, so yeah, have a good week ahead, guys. Lots of love. Hello, group 3. So you have chosen this wonderful message that says there's always a reason to smile. Lovely. And here it is, you have chosen a Rudraksh. So Lord Shiva is very strongly with you. He's blessing you, he's protecting you, guys. Okay, let us get started. How your coming week is going to be. Dear God, Goddess, Archangels, how the coming week is going to be for pile 3. Dear God, Goddess, Archangels, how the coming week is going to be for pile 3. How your finances will be for the coming week. How your health is going to be for the coming week. What message you have regarding your love life for the coming week. Now let us see what you should do to take care of yourself. Okay. Dear God, Goddess, Archangels, what pile 3 should do to take care of themselves. How they should pamper themselves for the coming week. Let us take 2 cards. Second one. What angel message you have for the week ahead? Dear God, Goddess, Archangels, what angel message, what guidance you want to give pile 3 for the coming week ahead? Which god goddess is with you for the coming week, and what message you want to give you? Dear God Goddess, which goddess energy is with pile 3, and what message you want to give them for the coming week ahead? Okay, so let us get started, guys. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so now first you have received Knight of Wands. So, other people will be of importance in the coming week, and there will be lots of creativity that will go on. Like you have, your creativity level, okay, will be at peak. You will think innovatively, okay, and you might lead some business event, or there will be a leadership being held by you in the coming week. And I also feel that speed, there will be if there is something, some issue or some situation or some legal, I also feel legal, I'm just hearing this, okay, legal documents, okay, legal documents will be of importance. And the thing that was stuck, okay, there was no movement, and that was not moving ahead, okay, that a movement will be there. Okay, a movement will be there in your life regarding the legal documents, or regarding your creativity, okay, regarding yourself, okay. And the second card that you have received is 7 of Sword. Okay, now guys, be a little bit careful, okay, be a little bit of careful when you see. I told you that there is a lot of creativity that is going on here, okay, lots of creativity, lots of growth, okay. But the thing is, make sure you don't share your ideas, your creativity with everyone, okay. Share only to those people who is trustworthy, okay. Don't just if you have some idea that you have received, some downloads that you have received, don't just keep on saying to everyone, hey, I have this idea, hey, I've got this idea, hey, I have this idea, you wanna hear? No, don't do that, okay. Don't share your ideas until and unless it has been come to fruition, okay. So be careful when it comes to sharing your creativity and your ideas, okay, because not everyone is trustworthy the way you are, guys, okay. Yeah, so the next card that you have received is Ace of Pentacles, okay. So finances, there will be good news regarding your finances, as you're working really hard, the movement is going on, the creativity, the ideas you are getting, the ideas that have been getting download to you, okay. Those ideas will help you to increase your finances, okay. That is what I'm getting, okay. So see, guys, you know, this is the thing, okay? Here you will get more downloads of downloads regarding your regarding your creativity, your passion, your career, okay, your finances, okay. And while implementing, just take care of how you are implementing it, okay. Make sure that you are not sharing your ideas with everyone. You never know, okay. You never know who is trustworthy or who can sneak your ideas. Okay, so just be careful, sweethearts. Okay, and the third, and the other is Ace of Pentacles. The idea you have received is, see, here you have to focus. Okay, see, this is gonna turn to this. The ideas that you are receiving is gonna turn, you know, to a abundance. Okay, good news regarding finances, increase in finances, growth in finances, guys. Okay, so you have to just take care of this cute little boy. Okay, so yeah, let us see how your finances. Aha, the Hierophant. Okay. See, there will be, as I told, there will be growth in finances, guys. Okay, but the same thing. Okay, I'm getting this energy, but make sure the thing, the ideas that you're sharing. Okay, share with only trustworthy people. See, there are only two people he's guiding. Okay, he's guiding only these of them. They're sharing the ideas with these. And another thing is, like, you will get, the only thing I'm getting is, like, don't share your ideas with everyone, guys. Okay, until and unless it comes to fruition. Okay, this is the, like, this, it's like highlighting to me. Okay, so see, in the similar way, here the Hierophant, he's just addressing, he's just sharing his idea, sharing his divine knowledge only with two of them. Okay, not everyone. Okay, so make sure the knowledge and the knowledge, your ideas, your innovations, your creations that you're sharing with is a trustworthy person, is a person who deserves to be shared. Okay, so just take care of that. Okay, and regarding your health, Queen of Pentacles, lovely. So a mother figure will take care of you. Okay, she will be like caring a lot for you, like a motherly figure. Okay, like pampering you, caring for you. Okay, there is also no good times. Okay, like it's a there will be a growth in your health, guys. Okay, means if there is some worries going on, that I'm not feeling well, I'm not going well, but it doesn't mean that you will not consult a doctor. If you feel feel ill or not feeling well, just consult a doctor. Okay, don't ignore. But Queen of Pentacles is telling me that your health will be improved. Okay, your immune system will be boosted. Okay, your solar plex chakra will be boosted. Okay, it will get healed. Okay, so the a good thing coming regarding your health. Okay, so don't worry. Okay, guys, I'm also getting that you really worry about your health. Okay, so don't worry, don't panic regarding your health. Okay, because there is improvement in health. Okay, the only thing is take care of it. Okay, regarding love life, okay, so yeah, you know uh, for singles, they're really working hard, to get the partner, to get in touch with someone. Okay, so yeah, angels are telling you that the hard work that you're doing, the law of attraction that you're manifesting in your life to attract that true love will come to fruition. Okay, it will happen. Okay, so just give the divine its timing and just keep on doing the law of attraction that you are, you're doing. Okay, I'm just feeling that you have maintained a diary regarding your love life or something like that. So I'm just able to see that I'm just seeing a diary, and I have seen some photos regarding your love life. This for singles, okay. I'm seeing this for single, okay. So you're really working hard to attract a particular person in your life, who is meant to be there with you, okay. So that thing is manifesting. Just give it a time, keep on doing your hard work, keep on doing your law of attraction, okay. And for sorry and for loved ones, and the people who are in committed relationship or married, okay, for them the relationship is kind of right now it's like you're really working out on each other, you're really working on this relationship, yeah, like understanding each other, and making things work out for each other, okay. I'm seeing that you're like really 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 trying hard, okay, to be there with each other, being each other's support, angels are telling you that don't worry, okay, it is a phase that will pass, okay. So no need to worry, okay, just be strong and keep doing your hard work, just be there with each other the way you have been till now, okay. See guys, there is always a reason to smile. So smile. Okay? Let us see what you need to do to take care of yourself in the coming week. Take a break. Pile 2, pile 3, there is a connection. Okay? Angels are telling you that take a break. Okay? See, as I told you, there is always a reason to smile. Okay? So don't stress on the things that is not working out for you. Okay, have that unshakable faith that angels are doing their work, the divine, the universe is doing their work. Okay, you don't need to focus on what isn't working out for you, focus on what is working out for you, okay. Ace of Pentacles, focus on this, guys. Okay, so your weekend is going to be really good, okay. And see, a life's work, not a season. Get off the treadmill, okay. Time to chill, guys. Take a break, take a breathe, okay, for your own self. Have a chill pill, okay. No need to worry, okay. Taken. Longing for home, belonging, the original light worker. Lovely. See, some of you, I'm feeling that some of you are healers who have chosen this pile, okay. Some of you are healer, and some of you are kind of, I'm giving so much of healing. Why is it not working? Why the still pandemic is going on? Why the people are not healing? Okay, why the people are like what I'm getting is it's not working out for you, and you are like, why is it not happening? Okay, so that thing I'm feeling a lot. So see, if someone leaves this world, we can't control that, we can't control the death, okay. Because if they are going, because they have, their soul has decided to, okay, lovely souls. But it doesn't mean that we should go out and just be careless. No, take precautions, take proper guidance, take proper care. But the thing is, if you are giving healing, okay, healing to someone, and if that person is no more, that person, the soul has decided to leave, okay. That decision was good for the soul to move on in the further life, okay. And the other thing is, don't worry about those things, guys. Like healing is working, okay. Though the person leaves the world, the healing will help the soul to reach to the another realm, okay. That healing will work in the another dimension, okay. So don't focus on why is it not happening. It is happening, but not the way that you have been thinking of, okay. But it is working, guys, okay. Your healing is not going in vain, okay. So have a smile, guys, it is working, okay. Which goddess is lovely? See, wow, even she has, Queen of Pentacles has energy of Goddess Lakshmi. Okay, lovely, guys. Ace of Pentacles. So see, I'll just read out for you. Stop worrying. Everything is going to be fine. See, Goddess Lakshmi is telling you, how does it get any better than this, guys? See, bright future. Goddess Lakshmi is assuring you that your future is bright. You have good future. Okay, you have also received Rudraksha. Okay, so even Lord Shiva is there with you. Goddess Lakshmi is supporting you so amazingly. I'm also getting that, guys. Stay hydrated. Okay, drink proper amount of water, not too not too high and not too low. Okay, just maintain the water level in your body. Okay, so yeah, things regarding health is also going to be fine. See, Goddess Lakshmi, she's such a wonderful goddess. She's just telling you that, hey, my child, why are you worrying? I'm there to deal with everything. Just leave, just smile. Just live your life the way you want to. Smile and move ahead. Don't worry about the results or what is happening, how it will happen. No, just leave it. Leave it up to her. Just live your life. Okay, she's just like, what I'm feeling is she's telling you, smile, have some laugh, don't worry. These are the words that I'm listening. Okay, so Goddess Lakshmi is there with you guys. Okay, and the angel trust. And the angel message that you have received is trust. Okay, angels are also telling you that have that trust. Okay, have the trust on your life, the divine. Okay, the divine, the universal energy, have the trust on them. Trust your inner self. Okay, I'm also getting that, do some meditation to have the mental peace, guys. If you're like, if you're not having some peace or having that restless nights, worrying about things, try some meditation. You get lots of videos on YouTube for beginners, beginners, like meditation who are for beginners, meditation for beginners, all such stuffs. So try it. Okay, and angels are telling you guys to have trust. Okay, have that unshakable trust. See, there might be something or few situation that is not working as per your thinking. Okay, there might be some situations that might not work as per your thinking, as per your feelings. Okay, so overall, guys, the week is really good, especially regarding finances and health. Okay, just make sure you take care of of this card. Like, don't trust everyone, and just wait for the fruition and then share it with others. Okay, then you are just free to share. Okay, and just take care of yourself. Take a chill, guys. Have a smile. Okay, so yeah, I hope you liked the reading. I hope you resonated, and do comment below how you felt regarding the reading. Okay, so yeah, have a lovely week ahead. Lots of love. Be safe, guys.